Welcome to SPSS Lesson 1, where we'll cover the installation and interface of IBM SPSS Statistics. Let's start with a quick introduction and an attention-grabbing hook. Get ready to master statistics without the pain. We'll have your SPSS set up in under 3 minutes. First up, let's cover the software installation process. To get started, you'll need to download the IBM SPSS trial version from their official website. Follow the on-screen prompts for a smooth installation. It's a straightforward process, typically taking just a few moments. Now that it's installed, let's take a tour of the SPSS interface. Upon launching SPSS, you'll see the data view. This is where you enter and manage your raw data. Next to the data view is the variable view. Here, you define and describe the characteristics of your variables, such as type, label, and measurement level. We'll also look at key menus like Analyze and Graphs, which are crucial for running statistical tests and creating visualizations. All your analysis results and generated charts appear in the Output viewer, which organizes your statistical output neatly. Finally, we'll quickly demonstrate how to start a new dataset for your next project. That wraps up our first lesson. Time for a quick recap and call to action. Your data is ready to go. Next time, we dive deeper into defining variables. Don't miss out on Lesson 2. Subscribe now to continue your journey with SPSS.